Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rigid foam insulation is probably one of the most crucial elements for maximizing energy efficiency in your home or building project, offering superior thermal protection against both heat and cold, significantly reducing energy bills and creating a more comfortable living environment. Its versatility allows for use in various applications, from roofing and wall systems to foundation insulation, making it a top choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors. Number 5. SmartSHIELD Reflective Insulation. SmartSHIELD is a revolutionary insulation roll designed to reflect radiant heat, keeping your space comfortable year-round. It's incredibly effective and easy to install. It reflects up to 95% of radiant energy, making it the perfect radiant barrier for homes and businesses. This significantly reduces energy costs. Unaffected by humidity, it provides superior protection against moisture damage, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This insulation features a 3 mm closed-cell polyethylene foam core for strength and durability. The engineered foil on both sides ensures superior reflectivity. It's incredibly easy to install, cut, and clean. It's lightweight yet strong, making it a convenient choice for any project. SmartSHIELD also acts as an excellent sound barrier, reducing noise pollution and creating a more peaceful environment. It's completely non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and won't irritate your skin, eyes, or throat, ensuring a safe and healthy environment. What we like. It reflects radiant energy and is unaffected by humidity, making it perfect for various indoor-outdoor uses. Its ease of installation makes it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts. If you need a versatile, high-performing insulation that's simple to use, this is it. What people say. It's lightweight yet durable and easy to cut for custom sizing, making installation a breeze. The foam core and reflective surface work together to block radiant heat, helping maintain comfortable temperatures indoors. The amount of heat this keeps out is really amazing. Old house, old windows, poor insulation. During the dog days of summer, even with the AC running non-stop, it would get fairly warm then cool off as the sun set. I did some research and put some pipe insulation over the AC exhaust, portable, and grabbed a roll of this stuff after reviewing most of the brands available here. This one seemed legit and the right size I needed as well. Glad I did. Now, there's a heat warning and it's noticeably cool upstairs. Not like before. This stuff works. Number 4. NASA Tech Garage Door Insulation Kit. This kit provides superior insulation for your garage door, keeping it cool in summer and warm in winter. It's easy to install and comes with everything you need. It boasts an R value of 8.0, significantly reducing heat transfer. This means better temperature control and energy savings. Made with high-quality, reflective foam core, it's waterproof, weatherproof, and built to last. We're so confident in its quality, we'll replace any damaged rolls. The kit includes heavy-duty double-sided tape, a razor, a squeegee, and easy-to-follow instructions. Installation is a breeze. It's not just insulation, it also deadens sound and acts as a radiant barrier. Get a complete garage upgrade with this one kit. This kit is proudly made in the USA and meets all US and international fire codes. You can trust its quality and safety. You'll receive 4 rolls of foam core insulation, heavy-duty double-sided tape, a razor, a squeegee, and detailed instructions. Everything you need for a perfect fit. What we like. This kit provides excellent insulation and sound dampening for your garage door. It includes everything you need for a straightforward installation. If you're looking for a high-quality, comprehensive solution for garage door insulation, made in the USA, this is the one for you. What people say. White outer shell looks nice, matches white garage door. It appears to have some sound dumping qualities as well, at least enough to take the echo off a garage workshop. Running full lengths of foam across the door, under the hinges, and using a bit of construction adhesive really makes this look like a professional install. It works better too as the seal creates a true air pocket for better insulation. Number 3. Juvale Foam Board Sheets. These versatile foam sheets are perfect for all your creative projects. Let your imagination run wild and create unique decorations or models. Keep your pet warm and cozy this winter. They're ideal for insulating pet houses and adding a layer of warmth. Their smooth surface makes them an ideal canvas for painting, drawing, or any other creative medium. Achieve a professional finish on all your projects. Use them to create stunning centerpieces for weddings, birthdays, or any special occasion. They're easy to decorate and customize. Each sheet is 11 by 17 inches and 1 inch thick, easily cut and shaped to your exact needs. Get creative and start crafting. From faux flowers to holiday decorations, the possibilities are endless. They're a must-have for any crafter or DIY enthusiast. What we like. These foam sheets are perfect for a wide range of creative projects and offer a smooth surface ideal for painting and other crafts. They're lightweight and easy to cut, making them perfect for various applications. If you're looking for a versatile foam for arts and crafts, this is your best bet. What people say. Needed for a project and could not find similar anywhere. Good sturdy foam that cuts well and offers a decent grip for inserted objects. Insulated and covered window AC accordion style window seals. Cemented wall board over foam. Razor knife cuts easy and spongy enough to seal yet rigid enough to stand up. I use this material for its good thermal insulation property. The size is convenient and I found the tiles easy to stick using Everbuild Pink Grip Grab adhesive. Number 2. Juvale foam blocks. These foam blocks are perfect for a variety of uses, from crafting and model making to party decorations. They're easy to customize and cut to size, making them incredibly versatile. Unleash your creativity with these smooth, white foam sheets. They're great for faux floral arrangements, building models, or any craft project you can imagine. Use them to create unique centerpieces for weddings, birthdays, or any special occasion. They're easy to decorate and add a personal touch to your event. These blocks have a smooth surface, making them easy to decorate with paint, glitter, or other embellishments. Plus, you can easily cut them to your desired size and shape. This pack includes 12 foam blocks, giving you plenty to work with for multiple projects. Each block measures 12 by 4 by 1 inches, providing ample space for your creations. What we like. These foam blocks are great for various crafts and projects, and their smooth surface makes them easy to decorate. They're easy to cut and shape to your needs. If you need a simple, customizable foam for your projects, this is a great option. What people say. These worked out well for insulating my bedroom window where my window unit air conditioner is. Easy to use and they work great for my intentions. I used it to fill in gaps in a wall air conditioning unit. Worked nice and painted very well. These are as shown and packaged well. Number 1. Lifeboat Urethane Foam Kit. It transforms from a liquid to a rigid insulation, perfect for marine applications, soundproofing, and insulation. Use it to fill gaps and cavities for a variety of purposes. It's lightweight yet incredibly strong and reliable. Its closed cell structure provides excellent insulation and buoyancy. Even beginners can easily use it. Simply mix the two parts in a 1:1 ratio and pour. It sets quickly, minimizing shrinkage and getting your project done fast. It hardens in about 10 minutes. It's resistant to gasoline, oil, saltwater, and solvents, making it a durable solution for your boating needs. Enjoy its long-lasting performance. What we like. This pourable foam is perfect for filling gaps and providing insulation in various applications, especially marine uses. It sets quickly and is highly durable. If you need a strong, long-lasting insulation solution for unique applications, this is the one. What people say. It worked well. Both in purpose and ease of use. You need to make sure it is measured right 1:1 and mixed thoroughly. I put a 3/8-inch wood dowel in my drill and put a couple zip ties on the end to make a power stir. This worked great. Bottles were sealed perfectly when I received them. They mixed great and expanded as good or better than a more expensive foam I bought elsewhere. Use this flotation foam to restore a 1986 Sea Nymph Striper CC-17. Needed to replace the two rear foam pockets between the splash guard and transom. Cleaned out the space and sealed all corners using duct tape. Sealing void expansion will work as well. Just make sure every pocket is covered as this will seep into the smallest spaces. Mixed half of the 2-gallon 1 gallon from each bottle into the bucket, used a long metal mixer with my drill and mixed it for up to a minute as the contents will start to do a chemical reaction. Start pouring into the desired space as soon as possible and don't be afraid to add a little extra versus using less, as you may have to add more on top of the previous pour and it will not look good in unison. It's that easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.